Hello!
Just asking you why you're filming, please. I'm security.
You what, sorry?
Security. I'm just asking why you're filming.
Why am I filming? I'm just coming down making a video, that's all.
On behalf of who?
On behalf of me.
Are you authorised to be on site?
I didn't realise I was on site.
Private property.
From where?
This is our property from this road.
Oh, this road?
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, I didn't realise that.
What are you filming for?
Just making a video, that's all.
Yeah, have you got any ID on you?
No, and even if I had, I wouldn't show it you.
Right, can we ask you to leave site then, please?
Yeah, of course you can. Why do you want my ID?
Just to find out who you are, because there's no reason to be filming on private property.
Yeah, well, who I am is my business, really, isn't
Yep,
it? I'm not asking you who you are. You're security.
Yep.
Do you work for Wilco?
No, I work for my security company.
Where's your blue badge?
Under here.
It's supposed to be on display.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't. I have to wear it. I have to show it to the police.
No, it has to be on display at all times. When you're dealing with Joe Public, it has to be on display at all
Do you
times.
want to leave site for me, please?
Yeah, I'm going to go. I am going to fly a drone over the top of it in a
You're going
minute.
to fly a drone anywhere?
Do you want to bet?
We will phone the police.
Yeah? How much do you want to bet me? I'm not going to fly a drone
Right,
over.
can you leave site, please?
Yeah. And you're going to what? Phone the police?
Yes.
What do you think the police are going to do?
Can you leave site for us, please?
Yeah, I'm going. What do you think the police are going to do about a drone?
Could you leave site for us?
Yeah, I'm going. I'm going there.
Yep. Can you leave site for us?
I'll
Okay.
go off and that's all. Fly my drone over. I'll fetch it down here so you'll be able to
Right,
see it.
can you leave site, please?
All right.